Hello, boys and girls. I am so happy that you are here with me today. Today is Lesson M, Mindful Maria. And it's really thinking about our mind and how to calm it down when our emotions get really strong. I brought my friend the watchdog here because there's a part of your brain. Go ahead and feel your skull, that bone, your brain is underneath your skull. And there's a little part of your brain, it's about the size of an almond. It's called the amygdala. Can you say that with me? It's a really hard word. Amygdala. And the amygdala is a part of your brain that notices when things are dangerous. It notices danger and it'll tell you, which is really good because if something's hot or if you're trying to cross a road, it can help protect you and tell you that's dangerous. But a lot of times your brain will tell you things that aren't dangerous. What we're gonna do is think about our brain and tell our brain today that I am calm. So go ahead and say that in your head. I am calm. Even if you're having a really strong emotion, there's things that you can do to calm your brain, your nervous system down. And the first thing, the most important thing you can do is to breathe. And we practice this all the time. So I brought the breathing ball, and I want you to think about when you inhale through your nose, I want you to think about just pausing or stopping just a little bit at the top of the breath. So watch me for a minute, and then I want you to join me. So when I inhale, I'm gonna breathe in very deep, and then I'm gonna pause or stop my breath, like hold it, and then I'm gonna exhale slow. Okay, let's try that together, ready? Breathe in deep, pause, exhale slow, and then pause at the bottom. Breathe in deep, pause, exhale slow, pause at the bottom. Now, if you are with a group of people, we're gonna do something really cool. If it's just you, you can listen too. But if you're with your parents, or maybe you can teach your classroom or your whoever you're with, it's called Oceanic Breathing, and we're gonna sound like the beach. And it's a really nice sound. So if you have the classroom sign, you can notice it has beach waves. And if you could see up here, a beach wave, and then I want you to pause at the top of the beach wave. And then when you breathe out, I want you to pause at right here, okay? So let's breathe together, and we're gonna see if we can sound like the ocean. We're gonna breathe in through our nose and out through our nose. And listen to that sound. It's a very calming sound. Are you ready? You can follow my finger. Ready? Breathe in, pause, breathe out, pause, breathe in, pause, breathe out, pause. Listen, breathe in, breathe out. One more time. Breathe in, breathe out. Excellent. Another type of breathing you can do is square breathing or star breathing. And you just breathe and pause at the end of the shape. Ready? So here we go. Breathe in, pause, breathe out. Pause, breathe in, pause, breathe out. Pause. Okay, and you can, or a star, or any shape you can find. A flower, whatever, trace any shape, but here's the star. Let's do it together. Ready? Just put your finger on a point, and let's breathe in, pause, breathe out. Pause, breathe in, pause, breathe out. Pause. All different ways to think about breathing. All right, so today, I want you to think about other ways you can calm down too. Breathing is just one of them. Another thing you can do is you can say in your head, I am calm. Let's practice that together. Sit up tall. You have a long spine, so you're pressing your bottom down, and you have a long spine, shoulders back. Here we are in oyster pose. Think about our palms open like an oyster. And let's practice one deep breath in. And this time I want you to say in your head, I am calm. Tell your brain, tell that amygdala, tell that watchdog, I call it, the watchdog brain, to calm down. Ready? Let's go. Breathe in. I am calm. Breathe out. Breathe in, self-talk. I am calm. Breathe out. Excellent. Okay, what else can you do to calm down? You have your breath, you have your self-talk. There's so many other things you could do to calm down. Some kids tell me they like to clean their toy box, or they like to help their mom clean because it helps them to calm down. Some people like to talk to their parents about their feelings to calm down. Some people cry, they just go in their room and get it out with tears, and that helps you expressing your feelings. Some people like to go for a jog to calm down. I've heard some people like to go on their video games to get their mind off of what's happening and calm down with that. So think about what helps you, and you can write about that or draw what really helps you to calm down so you don't have those big, strong feelings. Maybe you feel scared or angry. Calm yourself down with your breath or whatever works for you, boys and girls. I think I'm gonna go on my paddleboard tonight and paddle because it always calms me down to use my breath and move my body. All right, boys and girls, you make it a super day today. The choice is yours. Let your light shine.